Diesel car owners, they change their fuel filter like brushing the teeth. Petrol car owners, some don't even know this thing exists. And some think it's a USB power bank. Here's the twist. The petrol engine are more sensitive to dirty fuel. One speck of dirt, boom, the engine behaves like it just had dodgy street food. Symptoms include weak acceleration, like your car skip leg day, high fuel consumption, drinking petrol like it's emotional, and jerking, an automotive version of lag. Hard starting, like you waking up on Monday, and fuel pump failure, which is basically the engine saying, I resign. And this is what we find at Autopel. It looks like it's been filtering dinosaur soup. Most petrol cars need a new fuel filter every 40 to 60,000 kilometers. But many drivers wait 8 to 10 years. At that point, the filter isn't filtering. It's just a decoration. So, if your car feels weak, drinks like a fish, or shakes every time you accelerate, your fuel filter may be sending an SOS. Or maybe a WTF. Fuel filter equals small cost, big protection, and less drama. Come to Autopel. We'll check your fuel filter for free. No judgment. Or maybe a little judgment. Thanks for watching. This is DK. I'll see you guys tomorrow.